Hi friends, welcome to my channel Biology Tutor. Today we are going to discuss about principles and methods of food preservation. Heat processing or thermal processing. What is heat processing? It is defined as the combination of temperature and time required to eliminate or decrease a desired number of microbes from a food product. Heating is one of the best methods to preserve food effectively. Why do we heat process the food? For what purpose we heat the food? To reduce or destroy microbial activity, to reduce the activity or to inactivate enzymes in the food, to change the physical or chemical properties of the food, and the last one is in order to make food meet certain quality standards. That all about this heat processing. And what are the types of heat processing? It is classified into two. The first one is mild processes and the second one is more severe processes. And in mild processes, blanching, pasteurization and sterilization are there. And in the case of more severe processes, canning, baking, roasting and frying. And what is blanching? Have you ever heard about blanching? The primary purpose of blanching is to inactivate or destroy enzyme activity in fruits and vegetables. It is not regarded as the sole method of preservation, but it is the pre-treatment before canning, drying and freezing. Enzymes that cause loss of quality are lipoxygenase, polyphenol oxidase, polygalacturonase, chlorophyllase, etc. What is the purpose of blanching? In order to reduce surface microbial contamination, expulsion of oxygen from tissues, inactivation of enzymes like catalase, peroxidase, etc., softening of vegetable tissues and removing air from intercellular spaces prior to canning. And we are discussing two MCQs from blanching. The first one is blanching preserves the flavors found in fruits and vegetables by inactivating enzymes responsible for off flavor development. The most common enzyme responsible for off flavor is answer is lipoxygenase. Can represent as capital LOX. Which enzyme inactivation can occur during microwave and hot water blanching of mushroom? That is answer polyphenol oxidase PPO. This PPO enzyme is the major enzyme responsible for browning reactions in mushrooms. What are the methods of blanching? Blanching can be performed using hot water and steam. Usually it is performed below 100 degrees Celsius. Hot water blanchers, which holds food in 70 to 100 degrees Celsius for a specified time, then it moves to a dewatering and cooling section. Next one is steam blanchers. Heating in steam is highly recommended for few vegetables. For broccoli, pumpkin, sweet potato and winter squash, both steaming and boiling methods can be used. Normally steam blanching takes about 1.5 times longer than water blanching. And in this chart we can see the different heat processes and temperature and objectives. Cooking, baking, boiling, frying, grilling, the temperature should be less than or equal to 100 degrees Celsius. And in the case of blanching, less than 100 degrees Celsius. Expulsion of oxygen from tissues, inactivation of enzymes. And drying, concentration, pasteurization, appsc we will discuss in later slides. Pasteurization. There are mainly three different types of pasteurization. In this chart we are going to discuss about types of pasteurization, temperature and duration of heating, products pasteurized. First one is low temperature holding. The temperature is 62.8 degrees Celsius or 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Beer, fruit juice, smaller volumes of milks, that are the products pasteurized. High temperature short time pasteurization, that is known as HTST. Temperature is 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Industry standard for milk and other dairy products in the United States. And ultra high temperature pasteurization, 138 degrees Celsius for 3 seconds. Milk that does not require refrigeration until opened, that is the products pasteurized in the case of UHT. The MCQ regarding pasteurization. What is wet pasteurization? Low temperature holding, first option. Second option, high temperature short time. Third option, C, ultra high temperature. What is the answer? And D is none of these. Answer is A, low temperature holding. LTH is known as wet pasteurization, which is known as flash pasteurization. Choice A, low temperature holding LTH. Second one is TST. Third one is UHT. And last one, D, is none of these. B is the answer. High temperature short time HTST is known as flash pasteurization. Thank you. If you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe. And please click the bell button for notifications.